Hello everyone, welcome to Cybersecurity. Today we will we will try to learn few commands which is related to finding IP addresses for Windows and Linux. Let me bring the Windows also on the side by side. So if you see, I have my Windows here. This is Windows, Microsoft, this is Linux. So let's say we want to find an IP address. The command you need to use here is IPA. So it reveals your IP address informations. You have IP address here, and you have your MAC address. And if you want to know, there is another command called ifconfig, which is similar to which we're going to use in Windows also. So which is, if you see here, also gives the same informations. IP address and MAC address is here, and both same. If you see Ethernet, yeah, see, it's both same. So if you go here and let's say we want to find in IP address in Windows is ipconfig all config space all. So the difference, this, you can use without all also, but you won't get all the information. If you see here, you just get, if you see here, it gives only the very basic information like IP address, subnet, and default gateway. But if you use IP address space all, if it gives more information. Example, if I take this interface, which is VMware, it shows that it shows more information compared to the before one. So it virtual adapter, it is MAC address, the physical address and MAC address is both same, and it's DHCP server is getting an IP address. So these are the informations it's giving for us. So this is one of the option, and there's one, this is just to check the IP address. So there's one more command called ping. It gives you to check the connectivity. So example, I want to try whether I have a reachability to Google, then www.google.com. See, it shows the reachability, and the same command applies here also. If ping google.com, yep. So in the case they're both getting different IP address for, yeah. So the the Ubuntu or the Linux is going to different IP when it pings to Google, and Windows is going to a different IP. So basically Google has a lot of IP address, and it's able to find, able to tell us, okay, we have the connectivity to outside world. So that's what it means. These are one of the basic commands, and one of the extra I give you is traceset or traceroute. So if you want to find out how the packets are going to Google, you can use trace path or trace route. Route is not installed. So let's say sudo apt sudo apt install trace route. So let's try trace route dot google.com. Yep. So this is the trace route. So this trace route command is this available in Windows also, but the command is here is different, called trace it. This trace it, then dot google.com. Yeah, it's completed already. If you see here, the yep. Let me see if I can scroll this little up. So if you see here, Go's IP address is this one, and we have reached here, and this is the route we take. So this is how it goes from, this is our gateway, from all the way it goes to internet, and it's reached. The same goes to here also. Same goes in the Linux as well. Let me see if I can. Yeah, so I think when we ping, the IP address was this one. So if you see here, this was the IP, Google's IP. Then we go all the way below, we see the same IP again here. So this is the server or the destination. So the point is, the trace route or trace it is, I'll give you the destination, you know, how to. Yeah, so again, I think we just saw how trace route works, and from here it goes from, resolve the IP address, then go to the gateway, then it goes all the way down. And what we saw is the commands, both important commands like ipconfig and trace route and ping. These are the very three basic commands, and I hope this will be helpful for you guys to, you know, pick up. And if you're someone who's starting up, you know, to learn network and to test connectivity, these are the, you know, what do you call, the commands you may need to start using. And the next video I will try to do something more tools related to network, and I'll try to put more network related lab moving forward. So please subscribe to the channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. It's very important to grow the channel. So please do give your support with the subscription, and it helps a lot to grow this channel. And see you guys with a new video next time. Thank you.